How to send money from PayPal to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your Cash App account. So there is no direct way through which you can transfer money between PayPal to Cash App. So in order to smoothly transfer money from your PayPal account to Cash App account, you need to have a common bank account linked to both these accounts, and that particular bank will act as a mediator to transfer your money from your PayPal account to your Cash App account. So first of all, just open your PayPal, and here on the home screen under the PayPal balance section, just click on these three dots, and after that just select go to money page, and here just scroll down and just click on link a new bank account, and after that enter the bank details and just link your bank account to your PayPal account, and after that just go to your Cash App, and here link the same bank that you have linked to your PayPal account to your Cash App account as well. So in order to link your bank account to Cash App account, just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and after that just scroll down and click on linked banks, and after that just click on no card, and after that just select the bank account that you want to link, and make sure the bank account is same as you link to your PayPal account, and after that just click on link bank account, and there your same bank account will be linked to your Cash App account, and after that you just simply have to select the money from your PayPal account that you want to transfer to your Cash App, and just type in the amount of money and just transfer it to your bank account. After that you can withdraw the money through your Cash App account. So this is how you will be able to transfer money from your PayPal account to Cash App account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.